This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 12th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Our weather pattern should remain mostly unchanged through at least the middle part of next week, but then evidence of maybe at least some subtle changes, cooler weather. What about some rain as we head out to the end of next week or beyond that point? Let's see what we can find as we look out there this morning here at 10:45 a.m. Clear skies and an absolutely beautiful morning out there. 82 degrees at Sky Harbor right now, dew points at 39, humidity 22%, the winds are light, and the barometer is falling. Taking a broader look at temperatures across southern and central Arizona this morning, it's in the mid and upper 80s in the southeast part of the state right now, down toward Tucson and Benson, Fort Huachuca. It's very warm down there. Upper 70s to low 80s here in the valley. It's 81 in Yuma. You want the cooler weather, head over toward Alpine, 59 degrees right now. Satellite across the southwest, hardly a cloud to be found. The watch warning map is extremely quiet across the country, but the wildfires continue across central and northern California. Very dense smoke, huge flames. It's going to be a while before those are out because while there is cooler weather, just no significant precipitation going on up there. They really could use some rain. On the convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather expected anywhere across the contiguous United States. And rainfall here in the southwest for the next 7 days coming off the WPC. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week, and this shows nothing here across Arizona. But could we see some signs of some changes in our weather pattern? Let's find out now as we check the models. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Big, cold upper trough to our north across the Pacific Northwest and into the northern Rockies. Good news for them. And down here in the southwest, dry westerly flow. Now at the surface, that just means another sunny sky for us today. Highs in the low to possibly middle 90s in the warmest desert spots. A dry air mass still in place, so tonight, temperatures drop off very nicely. Lows in the upper 50s to upper 60s. Tomorrow, sunny skies again. Some rain. That's good news for the Pacific Northwest to the Sawtooth Mountains. Some snow in the higher elevations of Idaho, Montana, Wyoming. But here, we're just dry and warm. Highs in the low to mid 90s. Saturday, a surface boundary begins to push through the west and maybe even clips across northern Arizona. Some breezy conditions all the way down to the central part of the state, but not really going to affect us very much other than that. Highs in the low 90s, low to mid 90s on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. But now as we go to Wednesday, let me show you. This is the upper look, and we see a little short wave coming in here. And this is kind of a new idea on the table on the GFS. A couple of the previous runs and some of the ensemble members have been hinting at this. And so if this verifies, we'll have to start to look at that more carefully for the possibility of some rain coming in here. This is next Thursday morning at 5 a.m., the surface chart for a week from today, and showing at least a few showers across southeast California, southwest and south central Arizona. So again, this is just one model run. We don't want to get too excited about this just yet, but certainly the idea is there and a trend is there for at least some cooler weather and maybe the possibility of some rain. And if this happens to verify, and likely this will change between now and then, but if it does, rainfall amounts between 1/10 and 1/4 of an inch would be possible in that scenario around here. But we're not going to call for rain just yet, just an idea that's out there. Let's go to Friday. This is the 20th of October, and again, very cold trough across the Northeast Pacific and heading into the Pacific Northwest and across Western Canada, but we just can't seem to get that cold air down here. Temperatures still right about the mid and upper 80s. Here we go to the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Saturday, the 21st of October. And again, a cold trough passing to the north of the state and temperatures probably mid and upper 80s, lows during this time in the 50s to about 60. Temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. And of note here, the ensemble showing a trend down in temps for the middle and latter part of next week. And if we get rain next Thursday, we could stay in the 70s all day. So we'll have to see. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there. Have a great Thursday.